Hello and good afternoon. This is Paul, Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Today we're looking at a 2012 wheelchair accessible driver side SVM conversion, which has been hybridized, which has been converted into a Freedom Motors conversion. This is originally SVM, which is a competitor. We have since bought the company and improved the product. So this is a hydraulic Freedom Motors converted driver side entry wheelchair accessible pickup truck. This one has hand controls. It also has an electronic device which shifts the truck into drive, reverse, neutral, park. Pretty cool. Push button. This truck's got 74,000 miles. I'm not sure on pricing. Please check with the salesperson to get exact pricing on this unit. It's been converted with the hydraulics. 75,000 miles. You can see it's got the hand controls here. So when you push down, there's the gas. Push down, push forward is the brake, and push down is the gas. This one's also got an easy lock system here, which is ready to be installed. The electronics are already hooked up. You can see this easy lock system here allows the truck to engage and go into gear. So as I raise myself up here, pretty cool. This is just one of many vehicles we have. We have hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles, cars, trucks, SUVs, vans. So with this one here, from your wheelchair you can drive. You just simply have to push on the brake, which is pushing forward, and while you push on the brake, you can push which gear you want to be in. So if you want to be in reverse, shifts into reverse. Pretty cool. You want to be in neutral, shifts into neutral. We're going to drive. Let's in drive. Pretty cool stuff. Park. Pretty cool stuff. Hand controls. This is an awesome truck. (2012), very clean, only 74,000 miles. Four-wheel drive. Hand controls, electronic transmission shifting. Pretty awesome. It races it on up. Tires are like brand new. This is on casters here, so this just rolls right out of there. Then that easy lock system can be attached to the bottom of this ramp, this lift ramp. Cool stuff, beautiful truck. Just one of many. We have 2017s, 18s, 16s, 14s. We have a huge selection. Like brand new. If you're interested in this truck or a wheelchair accessible car, van, SUV, give us a call. 1-800-625-6335. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Gorgeous 4x4. LT model, four-wheel drive, wheelchair accessible pickup truck in excellent condition inside and out. Beautiful truck. Check out our entire inventory of wheelchair accessible vehicles at freedommotors.com. Please click the subscribe button on the YouTube page and give us a call with any questions. 1-800-625-6335. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Nationwide delivery. Family-owned business, been in business for over 30 years. Beautiful truck. Give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Thanks for watching my video and have a great day.